In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a Telegram chat widget into your Wix website using a service like Elfsight. Getting this set up is a fantastic way to enhance communication with your visitors and make your website more interactive. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to create an account with a service like Elfsight. These platforms are incredibly user-friendly and provide a variety of widgets that can enrich your website's functionality. After you've signed up and logged in, look for the Telegram chat widget. This widget is specifically designed to help you connect directly with your audience via Telegram, a popular messaging app. Once you've found the widget, it's time to customize it to fit your website's aesthetic and your brand's communication style. You have control over various options, such as linking to your Telegram account, selecting the chat icon that appeals to you, and crafting a personalized welcome message that greets your visitors warmly. Personalization is key here. It not only makes the widget feel like an integrated part of your website, but it also enhances user experience by making first interaction more inviting. After customization, you'll find a button that says something along the lines of "Add to website for free." Clicking this will guide you through a series of straightforward prompts to obtain the widget's embed code. This code is what you'll need to transfer the widget to your Wix site. Now, let's move over to the Wix editor, where you'll be adding this feature to your web page. Within the editor, look for the plus icon, which is used to add new elements to your site. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, choose Embed Code and then Embed HTML. This action places a new code box on your page. You can drag and drop this box to the exact section of your site where you'd like the chat widget to appear. Placing it strategically, perhaps on a sidebar or near the footer, ensures it's visible yet unobtrusive to your site's navigation. Next, paste the widget's embed code into this box. Once you've done that, click Update to activate the widget on the page. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect at first. You have the flexibility to adjust both the size and the position of the chat box until it fits perfectly with the overall layout of your site. Finally, remember to save your changes or publish your site if you're ready to go live. This ensures all your efforts are visible to visitors. And there you have it. You've just added a dynamic Telegram chat feature to your Wix site, setting the stage for better interaction with your visitors. Whether they have questions or simply want to engage, you're now just a message away.